What is going up, you guys? Johnny here, bringing you a $700 AMD gaming PC build capable of doing 1080p gaming on max settings and 1440p gaming on medium to high settings with playable 30 to 60 frames per second. This build comes at just $700, but after mailing rebates, it comes at under $650. So without further ado, here we go. For the processor, we went with the AMD 6300 as it is the best bang for buck processor for gaming on the AMD processors lineup. At just $99, this extra-core CPU can be easily overclocked to 4.5 GHz. Link to an overclocking guide in the description box below. To cool the CPU, we went with a Cooler Master Hyper TX3 with 3 direct contact heat pipes on the CPU, although not as famous as its older brother, the Hyper 212 Evo, but it still gets the job done. For the motherboard, we went with a Gigabyte GA970AUD3P. This motherboard has an 8+2 phase power delivery system, great for overclocking the FX 6300, and also has your basic needs for gaming. For RAM, we went with two 4GB G-Skill Ripjaws X series clocked at 1600 MHz. 8GB is more than enough for current game and upcoming game titles. For storage, we went with one 120GB Kingston SSD V300 series with read speeds and write speeds of 450 MB per second. It's perfect for having your Windows and other softwares for faster boot time. And in addition to that, we went with a 1 TB Hitachi HDD to serve as a game library and multimedia storage. For the graphics card, we went with the newly released Asus Strix R9 380X. This is a beast of a card capable of doing 1080p on max settings and 1440p on medium to high settings. Link to review of this card in the description box below. For the case and power supply, we went with the Corsair Spec 1 Red mid-tower case and a Thermaltake Smart 850W 80+ bronze modular power supply. 850 watts will be more than enough to power the whole system and have some room for overclocking the CPU and GPU. So, thank you for taking your time and watching this video. I will be posting more PC builds in the next month, and stay tuned, and as always, stay PC. Bye.